Okay, in today's video, I want us to talk about Advocate Teffo, right? You will remember previously I told you Ugur Advocate Teffo got a bail in the case that Advocate Teffo was attending, right? Now, to give a bit of a history here, Advocate Teffo is attending his cases in two different courts, right? Then number one, there are cases in Pretoria, inside the prison, Hoshimampuru II. So there's a court inside there, right? And then he also attend his cases in outside in a Johannesburg magistrate court, right? So if we said he got a bail in one of the courts, we are referring to the one in Pretoria. If you remember vividly, Advocate Teffo got a bail here, but then the Department of Correctional Service decided that they are going to stop everything they are despite the fact that the magistrate has given him a signed warranty. They decided that they are going to stop him from enjoying his freedom, right? So he got a bail in the one of Pretoria. Now, today, right, he is attending his case. He's going to be at Johannesburg Magistrate Court. Now, if you don't know, I must tell you this. These people, right, they've already started with their shenanigans of trying to run a trial without his lawyer being present, without him being present in that. I'm talking about something that have happened last week. So we're going to get a bit of a briefing about that. But before I proceed, I put it to you that you do the following.
If you are not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Come on, good people, because to subscribe it is free, to like the video it is free, to comment in the comment section below it is free of charge, to click the notification bell it is free of charge, to share this video it is free of charge, to watch this video until the end it is free of charge. Also, good people, come on, to watch the ads it's free of charge, and that's how you financially contribute to this YouTube channel. Speaking about financially contribution to the channel, you can become a member of this YouTube channel from as little as 20 Rand a month. You can also use the Super Thanks button. In case you don't want to do that, guys, there is a way where you can use my media company banking details to donate to the channel, and you know what I'm saying, we'll bring you more, and also guys want to buy more equipment. So the power is in your hands. Please do the honorable thing as we proceed.
So we don't know what is going to happen today as he attend, or when he does attend at Johannesburg Magistrate Court. The reason is the lawyers have been trying by all means necessary to arrange things and I want to put this on record, right? Look, his lawyer, or his advocate, the advocate representing him, has tried by all means to make sure that he arrange everything and he makes sure that he creates an environment that is going to be conducive for both the state and Advocate Teffo. Now, if, for instance, today, they say that Advocate Teffo, there was no one to bring Advocate Teffo in Johannesburg Magistrate Court. Just know for a fact that it is because they want to keep him behind bars as much as they can. Because the lawyer who's representing Advocate Teffo has tried by all means to meet all the stakeholders in the case, so that he was trying to deal with the fact that why are you keeping him in Pretoria, in Hoshimampuru, when he has already been granted a bail. He was trying to understand all of those things. At the same time, arranging for today's bail to make sure that they do, or they are aware that they will be there to represent him. Right. So they must make arrangement to go and collect him in Hoshimamporo. Now you will remember the reason I'm putting this on record. It is because you will remember that we are dealing with people here who have got the tendency of saying he did not appear in court. Why? Because there was no one to fetch him. I'm saying, remember last time I even said that you mean to tell me that the entire police unit does not have a person that it can just go and fetch Advocate Teffo and bring him back? You mean that we will wait for somebody who is on leave to look? We will wait for somebody who's on leave. Just that person is the only person that is capable of collecting Advocate Teffo in prison. So you can see they have they've created these tactics where it's a delaying tactics, right? Where they know that, okay, if it doesn't appear today in court, we will maybe say, there are no days available. He will come back next week. You know what I'm saying? So in other words, they are trying to keep him as much as possible behind bars. So today, I'm going to keep you posted, but I am saying beware of such a thing. Beware. They might wanna do something like that because they have done it in the past. They've been doing it. Look, they've been doing it. They have, like, when they kept him in prison, everybody was shocked. I don't want to mention the name of lawyers that were shocked about that. I'm talking about seasoned lawyers, seasoned advocate. They were shocked about what the Department of Correctional Service did, and everybody asked the question: Where do you get where do you get the right to do what you did to Advocate Deaf? Do you have even do you look you will remember that even the wife of Advocate therefore was asking this question. Look, I wanna she was like she said something along those lines. I don't know if the correctional service have got that mandate, right? She was like, no, I don't know. So today is the day. However, for me, I want to believe that the state does not have any chance to they don't stand a chance legally to deny Advocate therefore a bail because he has already been granted a bail by the local Pretoria Magistrate Court. What evidence will they have gathered so much so that will deny him a bail, right? We have seen a lot of people were complaining and saying, we have seen people who have committed the worst crime ever, heinous crime in this country, who might look, some of them have raped people in this country. Some of them have killed people in this country. We have seen such individuals getting rape. Getting bail, not rape, getting bail. What stops advocate therefore from get or enjoying the same benefit? Those are questions from other people who concerns citizens who are trying to find out what stops advocate therefore from getting such privileges too. But again, we are dealing. It's clear that we are dealing with people who are supposed to be, who are supposed to be fair. You know what I'm saying? But they are not playing it fair. They want us to believe that they are free and fair. Everything that they do, it is without cohesion. Nobody will be forced or undue influence in the processes. But we have seen them. This week, there was a trial. They were trying to run a trial of advocate therefore without his lawyer, without his wife attending the case, without, like, everybody that was close to advocate therefore was closed out of that thing. So I'm saying we are seeing people here who are so desperate to get a conviction, so much so that they are willing to commit the worst mistake ever by not complying with processes that are supposed to be complied with. And I asked this the past week to say, how do you run a trial of an individual without his representation? And I even said that in the case of in the court of Judge Ratamo Kgwatleng, he even said that he will never run a trial without the accused being there. But we've seen it happening here. He was like, I can never run a trial without the lawyer and the accused being present in the trial. But in the case of advocate, therefore, we've seen them trying to run. Look, they did it last week where they are running a trial without advocate, therefore, without his representative. Let only exclude the wife without his legal representation. That shows you how much they are desperate to get a conviction, how much they are desperate to make sure that this man goes down, right? The next thing they want to tell us that they are free and fair. So yeah, I will keep you posted about everything as things progresses today. I will make sure that I keep you posted. Until such a time, could people please take care.